What is going on, guys? Mase Barber back with yet another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a little vlog. But the whole point of this video is I'm gonna show you guys me like deep cleaning my whole station, getting it ready for next week. If you guys didn't know, we closed the first week of January, you know, just to reset, have some time off and spend some time with family. But yeah, today is Thursday, January 6th, and I'm pretty sure we restart on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday, one of those 2 days. I have to find that out. But yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning up my station, getting it ready for next week. I'm gonna show you guys what I do, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. So on the agenda today, we're gonna go to the shop, clean up. I have to make a few TikToks because I said I'm gonna start posting on TikTok more. So I think I'm gonna try to stock up on some footage at the shop just so that I can post once a day on TikTok. And then I'm gonna be selling 2 of my clippers, old clippers, you know, selling them for super cheap just to get rid of them and like kind of hook someone up. And yeah, after that we're gonna go to my boy Zach's house. I don't know if you guys remember Zach. He was in one of my first vlogs and we were just working out at my house. Now we're gonna go work out at his house. If you guys didn't know, gyms in Montreal, or I can't even go because I'm not vaccinated. Guys, how crazy is that? I can't go to the gym because I'm not vaccinated. How does that make sense? We can't do any, it's like we're in lockdown right now, everything is closed. So restaurants, like arenas, all that, everything is closed. But it doesn't change anything for me because I couldn't even go in the first place because I'm not vaccinated. In Montreal or in Quebec, you need a vaccine passport. It's like an app that you have to scan before you go into places. It just shows that, you know, you're double vaccinated, and I'm not. I just haven't gotten it yet. And yeah, they just don't let you do anything if you're not vaccinated. Like anything that's not essential, which sucks. But what was I saying? I'm just gonna be bringing you guys along with me. Yeah, oh, by the way, if you guys remember in the Road to a Milli vlog that I made, I mentioned like I rollerbladed to work because I didn't have a car. I sold my old car, and then like 2 days later I ended up getting a new car, well, a new to me car, but I just never like told you guys about it. People ask me still to this day like, yo, how you rollerblading to work? It's like snowing outside. But I got like an old Civic. I'll show you guys that after. But yeah, let's get this day started. It's weird, it's so quiet in here. Haven't been here in like a week. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. And then I'm gonna do, cause I wanna film for TikTok. I know that sounds weird, but I'm trying to post every day on TikTok. And it's been working. I've been getting like a few followers, but I'm just waiting for that one TikTok to blow up. It's over. Can you guys see from there? Sorry, they're prioritizing the TikTok right now. TikTok gets the tripod. Okay, so this is what the TikTok is looking like. That's how I'm gonna have it. So what the plan is I'm gonna film like a time lapse of me cleaning my station. Same thing for you guys. And then I'm gonna show you guys a little trick, and this is gonna be the whole point of the TikTok, is how to get the hair that's stuck between your blades without like taking the blade off. How to clean that. And then yeah, so basically I'm gonna clean the mirror, clean all the dust and stuff, disinfect everything, clean the chair, and then we're gonna get it started. So yeah, let me set you guys down. Okay, so step number 1, we're gonna clean the mirror, and then I'm just gonna start wiping everything down with like disinfectant spray, and you guys know what I mean. Let's go. I sprayed Windex to clean it down. Wrong spray. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to get like you see like there's like just nasty hair in there. I'm gonna show you guys how to get that out, and yeah, how to like deep clean your clippers without really like taking everything apart. So I'm gonna run you guys through the steps right now, and then I'm just gonna do it because I'm gonna be making the TikTok. So number 1 is you take a blade. First, number 1 is you spray down with your like disinfecting spray. You put a bunch so that like it's wet in there, and then you take apart this blade. You turn the clipper on, and then you just let it like kind of like glide through, and it'll pull out all the nasty hairs with it. And then yeah, once you're done doing that, don't forget to oil them, and then they're all clean, all good to go. Check that out. See how nasty that is? That was in between my clippers. You see that? Nasty. Okay, so now I just gotta find the chargers. I know I have one, but there you go. Alright, so now I gotta take this one out, but they're zip tied closed and I don't have cutters. So I think I'm gonna have to use like a retired pair of scissors. I don't use these. This isn't gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Domino's next door, see if they have scissors. Fuck. We got it. Okay, perfect. It fell like this, like undid, but you can just put them back together. I was thinking about it, how funny is it that we're a barbershop next to a Domino's, and I went to the Domino's to ask for scissors, but like we're a barbershop, so like we cut shit, you know? I found that funny. Alright, so I did the TikToks. I have like about like 4 that I just stocked up on. Yeah, 2 of them were skits, which is pretty funny. I don't know, I found it funny. Like I was laughing alone here. But yeah, if you guys want to go check those out, go check out my TikTok. It's just Mase the Barber. But yeah, so now we're done here. I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna drop off the clippers, and then I'm gonna go home, get ready, change, because I told you before we're going to Zach's crib to work out. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are gonna be interested in this kind of stuff. Like now the barbering stuff is kind of done, so like you guys are just gonna follow along with me. If you guys like fitness and like gym stuff, then you'll enjoy the rest of the video. But if not, you guys can click off right now. But don't watch the whole video, you know, support your boy. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up, and then we're gonna head over to give the clippers away. Not give them away. To sell the clippers. There you go. Alright, so I just finished up watching some Jack West. If you guys know him, if you guys are into like fitness stuff, you guys definitely know him. I was just watching as like a motivation, because we're doing legs today, and no one likes to do legs. So yeah, so now I'm gonna pack up my bags, or my bag with all my gym stuff, and we're gonna head out and go. So yeah, I want to show you guys my pre-workout. What I take for pre-workout. Let me set you guys up here. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys my pre-workout, what I take before my workout. I know this has nothing to do with barbering, but you know, we're vlogging today, so I'm gonna show you guys. I can't take pre-workout exactly just because like the caffeine really messes with my, like, it gives me like heartburn, I think, or I don't know. I'm very sensitive to caffeine, so I can't have caffeine. So what I take is like this, it's like a pump product. Well, pump product. And then I stack it with lion's mane. If you guys know what that is, it's like mushroom extract, but like to help with focus. And then I take like a multivitamin and some creatine. My boy Mike put me onto this. I'm gonna leave, he also does YouTube, but he stopped making videos. I don't know why. I'm gonna leave his YouTube down below. He's actually like, he has potential. Like I'm telling you, if this guy actually like grinds at it, he can definitely make it in the fitness industry. So I'm gonna leave his YouTube down below, and just do me a favor, go and subscribe to his channel, and let's motivate him to restart making videos. I would really appreciate if you guys did that. But yeah, I'm gonna pack my bag, and then we're gonna head over to Zach's. So the next time you see me, I'm gonna be at Zach's house.
Hello?
Yeah, please. Say what's up.
What's up, vlog? Want water?
There you go. Thanks. But I'm gonna show you guys. Scarlett is over here. She's looking nice. She's sleeping tight. And then this is Zach's bike. You wanna tell us a bit about your bike?
Yeah, sure. She doesn't have a name though.
Oh, you have to name it.
She's in a transformation. Kind of losing weight right now.
What is it?
It's a Honda Shadow.
Okay.
1995.
Small. I'm just really trying to leave a mark. We tired of being who they say we are. That's the baton, we gon' take it far. Always been real, we don't fake it all. Tired of 9 to 5, just make enough to survive. Only living on the weekends. You really thinking that's why I'm alive?
Give up on the workout?
But I don't have quitting inside of me. I will not jump in these boxes they throw at me. Talking to God and there's so much he's showing me. Shaping me, growing me, taking me sowing seeds. A growing tree, y'all get a load of me. Yeah, don't let them slow on me. I get the bag like a grocery. I'm on my grind like I'm supposed to be. And I do not care if you notice me.
Alright, so I'm back home now. Quite a bit of time has passed since the last clip that you guys saw. I don't know how the footage of the workout is going to turn out, just because we weren't that motivated, honestly, just because it was leg day, but we still got it done. And yeah, right now I'm at home. I finally made the decision to get Final Cut Pro. It's something I've been thinking about for a while now. If you guys don't know, it's an editing software. Right now I use iMovie, and I just feel like it's not cutting it anymore, and I just want to take a step up and step up my editing game. So I went ahead and bought it. If you guys don't know, it's $400. So kind of crazy just for an editing software, but I feel like now I have it forever, and I have a really good editing software that I'm going to be able to use whenever, wherever. So that's a good thing. Right now I'm just making like an end card for the video, or for my videos. I don't know, it's not done yet, so you guys are going to see it at the end of this video. But yeah, I hope this video turned out well. I didn't really have like a plan, I just filmed as I went. So let me know what you guys think down below. That's gonna be it for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.